depths of my heart I call your name. You know my tears, you know my pain.
I've watched you bless the ones beside me. I rejoice, yet still I cry quietly. Father, hear me as I pray.
Remember me along the way. I am holding on to you. Every promise you spoke is true. I am yours, forever yours. My hope is anchored in you, Lord. When you bless others, Lord, remember me. When your favor falls, please let it fall on me. I am your child, I belong to you. Do not pass me by. Do not pass me by.
Do not pass me by.
I stand on faith, now what I see, what you have planned is meant for me. No voice of doubt will speak again. Your word is stronger than the enemy. Let not my enemies rejoice and say that they have won or blocked my way. For what you bless, no man can curse. My life is held by you alone.
I am attached to you, my God.
Every step I walk, you walk with me. I am yours and yours alone. Cover me with mercy endlessly. When you bless others, Lord, remember me. When your favor falls, please let it fall on me. I am your child, I belong to you. Do not pass me by. Remember me, Lord.
Remember me, Lord. Do not pass me by.
Shower me with love, shower me with grace. Let your light shine upon my face.
Open every door that no man can close. Let my life declare that you are God alone.
Yes, Lord, have your way. When you bless others, Lord, remember me. I receive your love, your favor over me. I'm your child, and I belong to you. I will testify what my God can do. Do not pass me by. I am yours. I am